Tried and true crewneck sweatshirts are a classic closet staple that never go out of style. If you're curious to know more about this sweatshirt that comes in at an outstanding price, then stay tuned. The Gildan G180 Adult Heavy Blend 8-ounce 50/50 fleece crewneck sweatshirt is a great piece of clothing because it comes in so many color options, it's a great price, and it's very comfortable. Crewneck sweatshirts are awesome for a number of reasons, but to begin with, they're really great for layering clothing. Without a bulky hood or collar, you can easily lay them underneath a heavier piece of outerwear as well. Although hoodies have taken the forefront in popularity in recent years, there's no denying which style came first. The crewneck sweatshirt was invented in the 1920s and rose to popularity in the 1970s. The hoodies rose to popularity shortly after. Because of this, crewneck sweatshirts take us back to a time before the hoodies existed. The G180 is composed of 50% cotton and 50% polyester. This brings the best of both fibers together and ultimately creates a very soft sweatshirt that's great to wear as a standalone piece or for garment decoration as well. Pill-resistant air-jet yarn means that this sweatshirt will not only stay soft for a very long time, it will stay looking newer for longer. The little balls that gather on the surface of your sweatshirt and many clothing items quickly communicate age, alter custom designs, and decrease softness. Prevent pilling altogether with the fabric that's resistant to it in the first place. 1x1 ribbed collar, cuffs, and waistband have spandex included to add a little stretch. This makes putting the shirt on and taking it off a little easier. Set-in sleeves with the double needle stitching throughout prove the shirt is durable. The Gildan G180 is well made and able to hold any design you have in mind. Being tag-free is just one rip away with a tearaway. The G180's tearaway tag is perfect for those that want to replace it with their own personal branding, or for people that just hate an itchy tag in their neckline. Now you are probably wondering about the colors that this sweatshirt comes in. 47 vivid shades means there are a bunch of options to choose from, whether you prefer classic colors like black, white, red, or royal blue. Or maybe you want to branch out and go for something more unique and colorful like juicy kiwi, spicy paprika, or soft orchid. We recommend this sweatshirt for bulk buys, promotional items, and branded merch. You can't beat the quality for cost with this sweatshirt. If customization is your jam, you're free to screen print with water-based discharge or plastisol inks. Heat transfer vinyl is safe, but as always, check your manufacturer's heat settings. A burnt shirt to a garment decorator is like spilled milk to a baby. Feel free to embroider or direct to garment print, but if you want to tie-dye, keep looking and find something with a little bit higher of cotton content. Thank you for watching to learn all about the Gildan G180 sweatshirt. You can find it at ShirtSpace.com, the best place to visit for all of your blank apparel needs. If you have a tee, topic, or sweatshirt that you'd like us to mention in the future, make sure to mention it in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have a wonderful day.